Hey everyone, Kevin Scrimmer here on Scrimmer Games. So after watching a YouTube video, I found something cooler than the Destiny Companion app feature where you can move your items around. It's called the Destiny Item Manager, and it is an app in Google Chrome. If you play Destiny, I highly recommend that you download it. It's much faster than the identical feature in the Destiny Companion app. So like I said, it's called Destiny Item Manager, and it is a robust interface to manage gear, weapons, and items in Destiny. DIM for short DIM. Keep in mind you must be logged into Bungie.net and your account must be linked for this to work. And like this user says, it is definitely an improvement over the interface on Bungie.net. So let me showcase it for you real quick. We'll show your character, your classes. If you have one character, it'll show 1, 2, it'll show 2, 3, it'll show 3, and it also shows your vault. For each character, it'll show your items equipped, your weapons, your armor, and something called styling. So like any aesthetic or vehicles. And in your vault, it shows the same thing, weapons, armor, and styling. It actually has some cool features, like see defender class. You can store your defender class, quote unquote store, and it changes your subclass to the other subclass. So as you can see, I have the striker class now, and I can change it to the defender class like that. That's pretty crazy. Even though I think the display for the equipped items could be improved, since they're all come together, it's still pretty neat. Okay, so my character has a primary hard light equipped. Let's see what happens when I press store. It changed to Vision of Confluence. Now let's go back to hard light and equip it. Now I got that instead of Vision of Confluence. My rocket launcher is Hunger of Crota. Let's see if I can change it to an exotic. Huh. Now my character has 2 exotics equipped. Huh. I'm sure that's not actually true. Let's see if I can get an exotic equipped for the special real quick. I don't believe that. Okay, my gear on Bungie.net still shows as Hard Light, Swordbreaker, and Hunger of Crota, so no, not all 3 exotics are equipped, unfortunately. So I guess that's one of its bugs and weaknesses. So let me see if I change a weapon, it'll change in real time for Bungie.net. Let's see what happens when I equip Abyss Defiant. And yes, it changed on Bungie.net as well. And if you click this button right here, you can apparently create a loadout. And you can name it and save it. Let's call it Test 1. And save it. No items in loadout. So you can arrange a loadout. Okay, hit save. And if you click on your loadout, it'll change your loadout for you. Huh. That's a pretty neat feature. And then delete that loadout. And if you hit the question mark, it'll have a fact with filters and special things. And you can have some commands here you can type. Let's try, and it shows all your complete items. Arc. So this is really neat. Man, you think someone on Bungie.net would have thought of something like this? Solar, so if there's a certain burn on a Nightfall, you can just go up here, type which weapons all are arc or whatever, and you can equip them. That's pretty freaking neat. So the search bar up here is its way of sorting its items. You can see all the primary weapons up here now. And if I want to store this in the vault, I can. And I'll need to refresh the page, I believe, for the updated gear to show on here for Bungie.net. Yep, and there you go. So guys, you have to admit that this is really freaking cool. So if you have Chrome, if you don't, I don't know why you don't. But if you do have Chrome, go to the web store, get the Destiny Item Manager, and use it. It is so simple, quick, easy, and convenient. Thank you so much for watching. Click that like button down there if it helped you out, and please do so that others know that this is a helpful video. I make these videos to help out my subscribers, viewers, and other game players out, so the least you could do for me is click a like. I'd really appreciate that. And comment and let me know what you think. How does the Destiny Item Manager on the Chrome Web Store compare to the Item Manager on Bungie.net? What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of each? Which one will you use? I think I'll be using the Destiny Item Manager, definitely. And feel free to check out the links below. Feel free to follow me on Twitter down there. And please share this video so that others can be aware of this awesome app for Destiny players. I'd really appreciate that. And I'd really love it if you subscribed. I think I earned it. It'll make other helpful and awesome videos like this for my viewers in the future. So if you do subscribe, you know you're going to be getting some awesome videos from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.